Alright folks, so here is the removal of this water pump, sort of in maybe real-ish time. Here we go. Okay, it's now time to go ahead and remove the bolts that go around it, and like I say, I think it'll come out the bottom maybe easier than the top. I think so, because the way that big old thing is down there for the hoses, and so you know it may come up through the top, but I really think it'll come out the bottom. All right, we'll give it a go and see what happens here. At the very end, one thing I didn't account for, I had to remove the bolts that held the AC compressor on. I don't know if you've seen where I couldn't get the pump to come out at the initial try. So I stopped the camera, and just to make it quick, I just took the 4 bolts loose and let the pump in. I took the connector off for the AC and wires, and I let the compressor come off and just move out of the way enough. And like we said, that pump came down and out the bottom very easily. I tried to get it out of the top just to see if it'd make a difference, but it was not going to come out the top either because of the way that the lower hose unit is. So there you go, folks. That's how you get this water pump off. Thank you for tuning in to Will Fix It Team.